Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Discover this furnished 3-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom villa for sale, located in the prestigious Happy Cove Estate, Ocho Rios. This exquisite property features a spacious layout, a modern kitchen, a cozy living area, a laundry room, and a serene backyard, complete with a gazebo and barbecue area, perfect for outdoor entertaining. Ideally situated, this villa offers easy access to Ocho Rios' top attractions, including Dunn's River Falls, Mystic Mountain, Dolphin Cove, and Margarita Ville. With its prime location and abundant local attractions, this property has excellent potential as an Airbnb rental, offering guests a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Whether you're looking for a vacation home or an investment opportunity, this villa is a must see. Schedule your viewing today or submit your offer. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
I begin to I begin to
It's so special. Boy, how it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're mine, oh. Just so you know, you're mine for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure. Yeah. Ooh, you're mine for sure.
The asking price for this house is US 650,000 or Jamaican $100 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.